hell! Jesus Christ, Terence! Just no idea how mini roundabouts work.
Yeah.
And it's like they're exactly the same as big ones.
Yeah, we have to be careful ourselves with them. Some of them do, some of them don't. There's left.
Hell. Jesus.
So that's fascinating, the Hollywood thing. I always think on a slightly more parochial English level, who you can book on TV shows, who you can't.
Yeah.
An interesting sort of ladder is, by and large, you can't book someone on TV shows.
You watch is that when you pull the crown out, it cuts off the electrical supply to the cell. So that can happen, but it's very few.
And definitely not on the ones that
definitely not on the ones he's collecting.
But
really, he should leave the battery in, let them run, because the oil
inflicted upon each other. I don't think we've ever addressed the issue of puberty blockers on this programme, except from, I think perhaps a long time ago, a factual perspective, an explanatory perspective. And part of the reason for that is that you can see some...
Then that's a 20-year-old lad who's got to walk like that for the rest of his life. So in the end, he chose to buy it in. Fucking hell, where did he come from? Fucking hell, finding dinner.
What's happening? What the fuck are you doing?
Face and hair. Let's see. Right, without joking, a little bit, yeah. And also cracking tits. She's got like a lasso of truth. Makes you tell me.
Where's Craig now?
Handyman Craig.
Yeah.
Craig
He
Charles.
might.
He was a boss left, wasn't he? He was a painter and decorator, wasn't he? And then he, like, full handyman. He got, like, his own, like, DIY show. And he was on, like, this morning with Phil and Holly going, hey, and he used to do stuff in. Like,
Mad.
Out for that.
Dingleberries. Oh my God, we haven't got 3 minutes in and already you are on your worst behaviour.
Well, it's true, Nickers, and you know it, so that's what's
excuse me, are you talking through my dingleberries?
And that's why I'm in a bad mood. Apart from that, I've got really bad trapped wind. That's what.
Who's that? So it's just one of the listeners. You
honestly,
can tell how excited they are.
They say when you go away for such an extended period of time, you'll feel like so much has changed, but also nothing has changed. And I honestly feel that.
Well, Ben, delighted to have you back.
Delighted to be back.
Mr. Speaker, in the 2 weeks since we last met at this dispatch box, has the Prime Minister managed to find the money for his completely unfunded £46 million promise to scrap national insurance? Mr. Speaker, I've got...
why are you taking the corner that wide, you absolute moron? Jesus Christ. That was clever. Well, that was really clever, wasn't it?
They were not bleeding, weren't they? I'll be getting put on YouTube. How can you sleep here? That's so low.
Jesus H. Christ. Dashcam.
Why'd you have to sleep? Because he likes to clean out. Where did the attempt to fill those potholes in?
What was that? Jesus Christ. It's very clever, was it?
Did they actually transport them?
Jesus H. Christ. That was close. And now he's going into that lane anyway. Fucking idiot. Stupid woman. Stupid bloody woman. Oh, for God's sake. Fucking idiot. Wrong side of a dual carriageway.
I know, yeah.
Jesus. It's gone the wrong way round. It's different, isn't it?
I thought they were just going to keep going.
They look like they wanted to.
Did you want to go back?
Jesus.
Sparked that thought in me today. His lyric is, I'm still angry at my parents for what my parents did to them.
You need to start gigging more again, and then you'll see.
Not for what their parents did to them.
So, doing to each other. Oh, it's just passed down the line, isn't it? Fucking hell!
I know. I'm a weirdo. Deliveroo!
Is that an ick? Like, if you had a girl who's got a particularly itchy arsehole, you know, she's got piles or whatever, you can't really judge her for that. Having piles doesn't give you the ick. But, like, if she's constantly, like,
I think it's so hard, is it?
One of my favourite moments on a train, there's two actually, there's one with, like,
Best moment
an
ever.
other one was a couple of years ago when Liverpool were competing for the league, and I think we just won one.
Minibuses, or is it just buses?
No, so I love vans. So
Like small
mini,
people?
like what?
You like small people as well?
I love small people. I love like tiny little things,
hell.
like tiny little people and things. It's so cute. Like
You mean children?
yes.
Or dwarves.
Or dwarves. Well, children are sexy, but dwarves are fine.